Imagine shopping online, entering your credit card details, and suddenly wondering if your information is really safe. Scary, right? In today's video, we're diving into the crucial world of e-commerce security to reveal how businesses can protect themselves and their customers from lurking cyber threats. Welcome back to the Encryption Edge, your go-to channel for the latest in cybersecurity. Today we're exploring how e-commerce businesses can safeguard their digital storefronts and customer data. Let's get started. Why e-commerce security matters. In the bustling world of online shopping, security isn't just an accessory, it's a necessity. For entrepreneurs stepping into e-commerce, understanding cybersecurity is vital. Your online store is a valuable asset, vulnerable to cyber threats. Breaches can lead to financial losses, legal issues, and most importantly, a loss of customer trust. Entrepreneurs must recognize that cybersecurity isn't just a technical concern, it's foundational to business operations. A compromised online store can lead to significant financial and reputational damage. Investing in robust security measures is essential for sustainable growth and protecting your brand's reputation. Essential security measures. Start by encrypting data transmission with HTTPS and SSL certificates. This ensures that sensitive information exchanged between your website and users remains secure. Keep your website's software up to date by regularly installing updates and patches. This strengthens your defenses against emerging threats. A robust firewall monitors and filters network traffic, blocking malicious activity and unauthorized access. Set up an intrusion detection system, or IDS, to detect and alert you to suspicious activity. It helps in swiftly responding to potential threats. Conduct regular security audits to identify and address vulnerabilities. Proactive measures reduce the likelihood of a successful cyber attack. Educate your employees about security best practices to minimize human error. Training includes recognizing phishing attempts and the importance of strong passwords. Implement a regular data backup strategy to recover quickly in case of a security incident. Safeguarding customer data is crucial. Let's dive into some key practices. First, stringent access controls are essential. Limit access to sensitive customer data by implementing role-based access controls. This ensures that only necessary employees have access. Next, encryption protocols. Encrypt customer data both in transit and at rest using strong encryption algorithms. Educate customers on password hygiene. Encourage them to create strong, unique passwords and regularly update them. Secure payment gateways are also vital. Partner with reputable payment processors offering secure payment gateways with robust encryption and fraud detection. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, adds an extra layer of security. Require MFA for account access and transactions. Finally, compliance with data protection regulations is a must. Ensure compliance with regulations like GDPR and PCI DSS. Obtain consent for data collection and processing, and implement data retention policies. Detecting and preventing fraud is an ongoing battle in e-commerce. Fraudulent activities are a persistent threat. Use fraud detection tools and algorithms to identify suspicious transactions. Equip staff with skills to identify phishing attempts and conduct regular website audits. Proactive measures mitigate financial losses and fortify the integrity of your business. In conclusion, e-commerce security is not just technical, it's about building trust and ensuring customer centricity. Prioritizing security in your operations paves the way for sustainable growth and strong customer relationships. Embrace e-commerce security as both a shield and a beacon guiding your digital prosperity. Thank you for watching. If you want to dive deeper into e-commerce security, check out the link in the description for more information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cybersecurity insights from the Encryption Edge. Stay safe online.